Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video for you that will either go very well or very bad. As you can see from the title, also the lighting is like that. As you can see from the title, I want to pierce my ears. So I have my ears pierced, my earlobes ready, for earrings. I want to do a second one right next to it. I've been wanting to do that for the longest time, and I found these on Amazon. Now, I'm not a professional. I'm not saying you should do this, and if you do this, it is your own fault if anything happens. I'm not telling you do this. But yeah, I found this on Amazon, and basically basically just push them together, and it pushes the earring right through. Everything is sanitary. It's individually packed, and it even says if it is open, don't use it because it's not sanitary anymore. So we have we call this like disinfecting wipes. Then we have 6 pairs of earrings. Now there are 2 in that are smaller. I think they are like for nose piercings or so. Not really sure. I'll show you what they look like. So basically the earring is in here, as you can see, and then you just push it together like this through your ear, and that's how it's supposed to work. Does it actually work? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I decided to do this today because I took a shower today with hair wash. If you don't know me, I only wash my hair every other day. So today I washed my hair, obviously, and also dumb ears, because if I remember correctly, you are not supposed to get your piercings wet for like 3 days. So maybe I can push it another day until I wash my hair. We'll see. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Okay. Also, I'm filming this because otherwise I won't do this. I know myself. I'll be like, oh yeah, I'm going to do piercing, and I will not do it. I have to do this. I'm so nervous. You know what? I have hand sanitizer here. I'm really nervous. No, that hand sanitizer didn't even, I have to redo everything again. So I don't know if you can see, but this is my ear hole right now. One right here, and then on the other side as well. So I think we start off with this. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. Okay. Make sure all the hair is away. And yes, I will use some hand sanitizer afterwards again. Okay. 1 alcohol pad per ear, obviously. So I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Why am I so nervous? It's not even that bad. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna mark this. And like this. Okay. I'm constantly using this now, constantly using hand sanitizer. Okay. Okay, so this is still closed. That is good. Okay, I'll just rip this off like this. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I'm nervous right now. Okay. Oh god, I can't. I can't do this.
1 eternity later.
Okay. Thing is, I can't really see what I'm doing. Okay. Is it in?
That's what she said.
I don't think it's in. This is in. Oh no, it isn't. Hello? Can't get this out. Oh my god, no. I just lost the fucking earring. No, it is there. What? It is. It is actually in. I can't believe this. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna disinfect my hands afterwards, but what fell off? Oh, did I break this? Did I actually rip this? I mean, you can hear some crunching. What the? But you can hear some crunching, but that's about it. And to all the piercers out there who are actually professionals, I remember, because I got my earlobes pierced very late. Also, this is kind of cute because it's green. It's my favorite color. Okay? You have to wait until it heals, and then you have to turn it, like each day, because you don't want it to get crusty. And is that true? Let me know. So I think I broke this. I think I broke it. I'm shaking. I don't know why. But yeah, it's actually true. I can't believe this. I pierced my ear. Now I need to do the other side. We'll keep this for another... Because the thing is... okay, you can see my ear hole here. I want another one maybe there. Maybe. We'll see. The trick is to get this even on both sides. That is the real magic here. Okay. Get all the hair out of the way. And then just... It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Oh my god. I even said to my boyfriend, if this doesn't work out, you have to do this. And I look at me. Yes. So proud of myself. I can't believe I actually pierced my ear. I can't believe this. Oh god. There, maybe? I can't believe I've done this. Look at me. Yay. Open this one up. Okay, it's the same one. It's also green. I mean, I wouldn't have a problem with it being a different color. But as long as it's kind of the same. Can't see what I'm doing. Other side. Take me to the other side. That's what I'm mostly worried about, that it's not even. Ouch. Okay, is this supposed to fall off? I have no idea what I'm doing here, to be honest. Oh, so cute though! I think it's kind of even. The back is on as well. Oh my god. It's like, you should do it quicker than me, obviously, but so far, it was a little, but it's not as bad. And yes, I think this is supposed to come off. Such a cool thing, oh my god. So, again, I have no idea where everything went, but I pierced my ears. I'm shook. I don't think it's completely even. Does it really matter? No. It's not completely even. I don't care. I should like it. That was it. I hope you enjoyed this. I will report back on this, obviously. I always want to get a second piercing in. So now that I have it, I'm very, very excited. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my god. It's not completely even. I don't care. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Like I said, also, I'm not the professional. Oh, the light's coming. I'm not the professional, okay? And if you're worried that you might do something wrong, don't do this at home. So, anyway, without further ado, I'm going to say bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you next one. Bye. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. No. So, basically the earring is... What's going on outside? My god.